Good morning, everybody. Hello and welcome to the stream. Just open view on watch page. Give me a second. So it should be live now. Yep, there we go. Excellent. So we are streaming in 720p 60 frames per second if you want to see everything in high quality. So what we're going to be doing today, goodness me, is I'm going to have a coffee. What we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you how to modify and manage your website. So first and foremost, this is WordPress. Welcome to WordPress. Very simplistic setup. This is the dashboard. As you'll probably notice, we've got some updates that we can do. So I'm just going to click on the Updates tab in a new tab. Okay, so everything here that can be updated is updated. We haven't put in this specific website, we haven't put the API keys for the Divi plugin or the Divi anything yet, but nonetheless, here we go. Just checking audio. Audio is good. Hope everybody's doing good. So first and foremost, we're going to go to Pages. Pages, all pages. This will display all of the pages on your website. Okay, so we're going to we're going to add a new page and we're going to call it Stream. So first thing we do is we go Pages, Add New. I've just been to the gym, so my voice may be a little bit raspy. I do apologize about that. So we're going to call this the Stream page. Okay, and what we want to do first off is we want to enable the Divi editor. This is the predominant editing utility that we provide with all of our websites. It's a simple drag and drop system that can be used to very easily allow you to modify your website with no technical training whatsoever. Okay, so we're going to, as you can see, when we enable the editor, we get this beautiful little interface here. So firstly, you have a section. This is your section, the blue bit. The teal bit right here, sort of greeny blue bit, is your row. Okay, and then you've got columns. So you can set columns in many different formats. We're just going to do a straight one column format, like so. And then you'll probably notice now it looks pretty much the same, but it says Insert Module. So we're going to click Insert Module and scroll down to Text. All right, there we go. So I'm going to set it to a text orientation of centered. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to enter in a title. So a heading, call this Live Stream Page. I'm going to select everything and I'm going to select heading. So you'll probably notice that the editor at this section here is pretty much the exact same as the standard WYSIWYG editor that comes with WordPress. Save, publish. Okay, now that's saved and published, you can actually go directly to the page that we're editing and you'll be able to see the text. It seems as if this is some of the style sheets in here are a little different to what you would be normally working with. Let's change the color, text color, specifically to black. See if that makes a difference there. It does. So you get live stream page there. Not the best example. I wasn't aware that that spreadsheet was, that style sheet was like that. But nonetheless, this is the live stream URL. This is what we're editing. So as you can see, we've got one in the dead center. It's all hunky-dory and pretty groovy. We can add additional modifications here, so we can change whether it's bold or what have you. But predominantly we'll be using the text section. This allows us to, this is from our point of view as the designers, it allows us to very easily modify the attributes of basically everything to do with the HTML code or the markup or way that your website is designed. So I'm just going to make the font size 32 pixels so we can see it better. There we go. Live stream page. Nice and simplistic. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a new row to this section, and we're going to do one set of 2 halves. Nice and simple. Now we're going to duplicate, or we're going to clone the existing text module and move it to each individual section. Nice and simple. We'll hit update, and you'll see now live stream page, live stream page, live stream page. So you've got this one section right here, this one row with the column of full width, and then you've got the text in the center. And if we do that to quarters, we can just sort of clone it. And they just came back from the gym, so I do apologize about that. About the delay in getting started. So now we refresh the page after updating, and as you can see, full width, half width, quarter width, quarter width, quarter width, quarter width. Just like that. Super simplistic. There are additional, like you can do a specialty section, which gives you additional ways at which you can structure content. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we'll duplicate. So we'll go insert column 1 by 1, duplicate text, add text here. And we'll do the same with, we can't do that. Okay. What we can do, we'll do an image section. Text. If I can find it, goodness me. There we go. Image URL, we'll just select something from the media library. That works. Actually, we'll just get a tomato. Okay, easy. Update. Flick back to the live page and refresh the live page. And there you go. Very simple, very effective tools of being able to modify your website. Now, there are additional options, and we'll go through those right now. So, products. Products, very, very important. If we want to add a section here, at least a module at which we can display our products, we simply click on Insert Module, scroll down to Shop, click Shop. You can choose what type of products, so whether it's featured, sale products, best selling products, top rated, product category, that's product by category, and recent products. So we're going to select recent products. Post number, we're going to set to 4 and 4 columns. Update. I don't think we've actually got any products on this WordPress here. So, oh, we've got one. Can duplicate that product. So you go products, all products, or products. And you've got right here, test item. So we'll duplicate that a couple of times, I think. So if I refresh the page now that I've published this new one, here we go. Test item 1, copy, back to products. And yeah, as you can see, pretty simplistic. So to add a new product, you click on products, add product, or you can just go products, hover over products, and then add products from any other section within the WordPress backend. So we'll select our product. This is my product. Lorem ipsum dolor sit emet. Very simplistic setup. We're going to change the price to $3.50. Actually, you know what? Set a sale price of $3.50. There. Just for fun. Okay, we'll change it from this to web design. Let's continue with our joke. We still got a little while. Okay, so we've done that. So what we'll do is we'll set the product image. This is the featured image of the product. So set product image, Critical Web Solutions, set, publish. And if we go back to the stream page and we refresh, you'll see it will be added here. Simple. Click on the product image and you'll have the product page. Very, very simplistic. So adding products, very easy. Setting sale prices, again, very, very, very easy. So just retouch on sale price. It will automatically become a sale item whenever you set a price in the sales section. And the sales section will override your regular price. You can schedule products and schedule pricing. So you can say when it starts, when it ends. You can certainly do that at your discretion and leisure. So product categories, you can add a new product category if you want at any stage. You just simply click add new product category on the right hand side when editing a product. Just go new category. You can enter update. And when you refresh the product website, the product web page, you'll see under the meta data for the product category, new category. Super easy. Okay. We'll do a contact form, something very, very easy. So this is the reason we use Divi. Because Divi allows us, it's got all these inbuilt modules where you don't have to fork out additional time and everything on, well, pretty much anything. What we'll do is we'll get rid of this text. We'll go here, we'll go contact form, email, contact form right here. So very simple. You just click on, let me get rid of that, insert module, scroll down to contact form, very simple. And by default, it will be name email message. You enter the email that you want it to go to. And you hit save and exit. And your contact form has been put in there. Update. We'll go back to that page. Refresh. And there's our contact form. The captures that come with the basic contact forms are very basic. It's a simple mathematical capture. You can use something like Contact 7, which is a very, very popular contact form plugin right here. And then just simply enter a shortcode in a text module. So that certainly works. I prefer using, we generally will create the form based around what's inherently available in Divi. If it's not inherently available in Divi, then we will switch things up a bit and actually use a plugin for it. We generally try to avoid using the plugins for it purely because we don't want to overload a person's web page with plugins. Okay, that is just about everything. Let's have a look. So you can, we'll just touch base on this. You can change what it says. So we'll just go here, right? In the Divi editor. So you can change the label of the item. So we're just going to do that. You click on the three horizontal lines. It's pretty much just like a menu system. You click on that. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. It'll say admin label. Click on it, delete it, and then just enter in whatever you want. I can't type. Page heading. And as you see, the label's changed. Update. Changing the label does not affect how it displays on the actual page. It simply just changes the label that you'd use from an administrative point of view. Alrighty. I hope you guys enjoyed the webinar. Very, very simplistic. It's meant to be simplistic, very easy. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to contact us via our Facebook page. I will link our Facebook page right now. We are Facebook verified, so you will know that our page is the real page for our business. All right, thank you very much for joining me, guys. Have a fantastic Saturday.